Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi Limited needs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 143,146. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCi-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine is fine, turbo is losing oil from the oil seals, the turbo will need replacing grin. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is clean, rear load area is very clean. One former company owner well looked after. Features, one former keeper, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119